Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Hyundai Sonata Sport that we have for sale. This one actually we got in a trade. We have other dealerships that we buy and sell wholesale cars with. We got this from the Harness Auto Group in Puyallup. They have like Subaru, GMC, Chevy, I think a few other franchises as well. But basically, most dealerships have a 60 to 90 day rule. So when a vehicle ages and it gets 60 to 90 days, they're not really thinking about making money on it. They just want to move it out of their inventory, make room for new stuff. And for whatever reasons, cars won't sell, not because they're bad, but just sometimes the stars aren't aligned, or they don't do a good job marketing it. They just don't have the clientele for that type of vehicle. So basically this was aging in Harness's Auto Group, and we traded one of our aging vehicles with them. So that's how we acquired this one. It is a local one owner vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report available. 57,921 miles at the time of making this video. Really nice shape inside and out, nice color combination with a sport trim level. Has a little bit extra visual pizzazz versus the more standard fare Sonata. If you're looking for a compact to mid-size sedan, the Sonata is a great choice. Very nicely styled vehicle. It's designed to go head to head with some of the best and most competitive vehicles in this class. The kind of the compact to mid-size sedan is a very contested class. So you have to bring your A game if you're going to compete with it. And Hyundai certainly does. You're competing with like the Nissan Altima, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, some pretty big heavyweights in this segment. But the Sonata has made a name for itself and it sells quite well. Bluetooth hands-free phone system. You have a steering wheel, radio controls. Has a parking camera. Drive mode selector. That will make changes to like steering, throttle sensitivity. I think it might also make changes to transmission shift points. Have a USB aux in for your smartphone. Looks like we have a SOS button, so maybe for emergency telematic services you can hit that if like you're in an accident or something and you need help. I think that's a subscription-based service if you want to take advantage of that benefit. Pretty fuel efficient as well. 25 city, 35 highway. Pretty good gas mileage for a vehicle this size, and it has decent performance. We also have a power driver's seat. Nice alloy wheels with a sport version of the Sonata. Also notice this nice chrome trim piece that they have below for a little extra pizzazz, and then you have chrome around the window housings, gives it more of a premium look. We also put 4 brand new tires on it, so that's one maintenance item you won't have to worry for quite a while about. Tires aren't cheap. Excellent rear seat accommodations. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have a ton of legroom, ton of headroom back here. Very generously sized vehicle, so maybe if you're thinking about Ubering or lifting on the side, this would be a great vehicle to do it with. Has a kind of a dual exiting exhaust for a little bit more of a performance stance. Trunk mounted spoiler that comes with a sport package. Decent sized trunk, and you can fold down those rear seats for even more cargo space if need be. We have some great promotions going on right now. We have complimentary deliveries up to 250 miles. We can put this on our car hauler, print out all the paperwork, and we can do a mobile delivery right to your house. You can take it for a quick spin to make sure you like it. All the paperwork can be signed. We can bring it with you with the vehicle. Well, not bring it with you, but bring it with the vehicle. Bring it to your house, and like pre-approvals, credit, all that stuff we can do online and over the phone. So a lot of people are taking advantage of our mobile delivery service right now. Contact us for more details. Nice clean engine compartment. We have that GDI turbo, actually this isn't turbocharged, but it's direct injection. Direct injection 4-cylinder engine. This is used in a lot of Hyundai products, also used in a lot of Kia products. Kia and Hyundai are part of the same company. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.